daily practice for English.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up early.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I did.
What did you eat?
I ate bread and eggs.
Are you busy today?
No, I am not busy.
Do you have any plans today?
Yes, I do.
What are your plans?
I will study English.
Do you like studying English?
Yes, I like it.
Is English easy for you?
A little easy.
Do you practice every day?
Yes, I practice every day.
How long do you practice?
I practice for 30 minutes.
Do you study alone?
Yes, I do.
Do you use videos to learn?
Yes, I do.
Are videos helpful?
Yes, very helpful.
Can you understand English well?
A little, yes.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I can.
Do you repeat the sentences?
Yes, I repeat them.
Does repetition help you?
Yes, it helps me.
Do you feel confident now?
Yes, more confident.
Where are you now?
I am at home.
Is it quiet there?
Yes, it is quiet.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, I am comfortable.
Do you like learning at home?
Yes, I do.
Do you take notes?
Yes, sometimes.
Do notes help you remember?
Yes, they do.
Do you listen carefully?
Yes, I do.
Do you speak aloud?
Yes, I speak aloud.
Is speaking aloud important?
Yes, it is important.
Do you feel progress?
Yes, I feel progress.
Are you happy with your learning?
Yes, I am.
Do you enjoy today's practice?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you want to continue?
Yes, I do.
Will you practice tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Do you believe you can improve?
Yes, I believe so.
Is English important for you?
Yes, it is important.
Do you want to speak fluently?
Yes, very much.
Are you motivated today?
Yes, I am motivated.
Are you ready for more practice?
Yes, I am ready.
Shall we continue learning?
Yes, let's continue.
What are you doing now?
I am practicing English.
Is English useful for you?
Yes, it is useful.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I do.
Do you practice listening?
Yes, I do.
How many minutes do you practice?
About 30 minutes.
Do you like slow English?
Yes, I like it.
Is slow English easy to understand?
Yes, it is.
Do you repeat after the speaker?
Yes, I repeat.
Does repetition help you?
Yes, it helps.
Do you feel relaxed now?
Yes, I feel relaxed.
Do you feel confident?
A little confident.
Are you learning new words?
Yes, I am.
Do you write new words?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you review your notes?
Yes, I do.
Is English fun to learn?
Yes, it is fun.
Do you like daily practice?
Yes, I like it.
Do you use your phone to learn?
Yes, I do.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch them.
Do videos help your listening?
Yes, they help.
Can you understand simple English?
Yes, I can.
Can you answer simple questions?
Yes, I can.
Do you like speaking practice?
Yes, I like it.
Is English important for your future?
Yes, it is.
Are you patient with learning?
Yes, I am.
Do you learn step by step?
Yes, step by step.
Is daily practice important?
Yes, very important.
Do you practice speaking aloud?
Yes, I do.
Does speaking aloud help you?
Yes, it helps.
Do you practice pronunciation?
Yes, I do.
Is pronunciation important?
Yes, it is.
Are you focused now?
Yes, I am.
Do you want to improve more?
Yes, I do.
Are you ready to continue?
Yes, I am.
What day is today?
Today is a good day.
Are you feeling good today?
Yes, I am.
Did you practice yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Do you like this lesson?
Yes, I like it.
Is this lesson easy?
Yes, it is easy.
Is this lesson helpful?
Yes, it is helpful.
Do you understand the questions?
Yes, I do.
Can you answer quickly?
A little quickly.
Do you need more practice?
Yes, I do.
Do you practice at home?
Yes, at home.
Is your place quiet?
Yes, it is quiet.
Are you comfortable now?
Yes, I am.
Do you drink water while studying?
Yes, I do.
Do breaks help you?
Yes, they help.
Do you stay positive?
Yes, I try.
Is English difficult sometimes?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you give up easily?
No, I don't.
Do you keep practicing?
Yes, I do.
Are mistakes okay?
Yes, they are okay.
Do mistakes help you learn?
Yes, they do.
Do you learn from mistakes?
Yes, I do.
Do you try again?
Yes, I try again.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I do.
Is confidence important?
Yes, it is.
Do you speak slowly?
Yes, I speak slowly.
Is slow speaking good?
Yes, it is good.
Do you feel calm now?
Yes, I feel calm.
Are you happy learning English?
Yes, I am happy.
Do you want to continue today?
Yes, I do.
Do you like daily lessons?
Yes, I like them.
Is learning English your goal?
Yes, it is my goal.
Do you work toward your goal?
Yes, I do.
Do you practice regularly?
Yes, regularly.
Are you improving slowly?
Yes, slowly.
Is slow progress okay?
Yes, it is okay.
Do you feel proud?
Yes, I do.
Do you enjoy this journey?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Are you ready for the next part?
Yes, I am.
What will you do next?
I will keep practicing.
Will you speak English tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Do you trust the process?
Yes, I trust it.
Do you stay motivated?
Yes, I try.
Is English part of your life?
Yes, it is.
Do you use English daily?
Yes, a little.
Do you speak English with others?
Sometimes.
Do you want to speak better?
Yes, I do.
Are you learning patiently?
Yes, patiently.
Is today productive?
Yes, it is.
Do you feel satisfied?
Yes, I do.
Will you continue this course?
Yes, I will.
Do you like this 30-day plan?
Yes, I like it.
Is daily learning helpful?
Yes, very helpful.
Do you feel stronger in English?
Yes, a little.
Do you feel hopeful?
Yes, I do.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yes, I am.
Will you keep going?
Yes, I will.
Do you want to finish all 30 days?
Yes, I do.
Is practice the key?
Yes, it is.
Do you enjoy learning slowly?
Yes, I do.